Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka and I'm your sugar makeup expert for today. Sugar Cosmetics has launched something really cool, which is the Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner. They come in two shades. The first one is Black Magic Woman and second is Roadhouse Blues. With its silky smooth formula, the Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner is the queen of Ultra Luxe. This eyeliner is smudge proof and water resistant. Your eyes will be tug free for 12 straight hours. Comes with a built-in extendable brush that works best for when you are on the go. Look number 1 is a fierce lower lid wing. I created this by using the tip of the brush that comes along with the product. A tip when creating such eyeliner is to keep cleaning the brush in between application to get a precise sharp line. For this look, I have used the shade 02 Roadhouse Blues. Now I'm amplifying this look by adding a sharp wing at the crease using the shade 01 Black Magic Woman. A tip is to always make sure you use very short strokes when creating a wing and working on the crease. With this, look number 2 is complete. What do you think? For look number 3, I'm first going to create a V shape on the center of my eyelids and then start filling in on the inner corner of my eye. Keeping the V clean, I'm creating a wing. Tip for this look is to use a cotton swab and a little bit of makeup remover to get a sharp wing. While creating the V, raise your eyebrows so that you get a crease-free canvas to drag the brush. When creating big wings like these, keep looking back at the first wing that you have created so that you can replicate the same here. For look number 4, I'm filling in the black gel eyeliner in the V and creating a fuller wing from this. I'm then bringing in the gel liner from the inner corner of the eye. This is very easy to create with the tip of the brush. I'm then using the shade 02 Roadhouse Blues and creating lines parallel to the wing. This is it for look number 4. For look number 5, I'm creating a classic wing look. I'm extending this wing on the inner corner as well. Adding 3 dots on the outer corner of the eye just below the wing and 1 dot over this at the inner corner, underlining my eyes below the waterline to give it a dramatic effect. A tip for this would be to always look up and make sure that you have the mirror very close to your eyes. Never stretch your eyes with your other hand as that would create wrinkles. Remember, practice makes you perfect. Do not worry about the dots and their sizes, as they being big and small makes it look better. I hope this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. Bye!